Beat the eggs with sugar and vanilla extract on medium speed using an electric mixer until the mixture becomes creamy and fluffy. Add the vegetable oil and lukewarm milk, and mix well. Sift the flour, baking powder, and cocoa powder 3 times, then gradually add to the mixture, stirring gently with a spatula in one direction until smooth and uniform. Line the bottom of a round baking pan with parchment paper, pour in the batter, and level the top with a toothpick to prevent doming. Bake in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius, 338 degrees Fahrenheit, for 45 minutes. Combine milk, cocoa powder, vegetable oil, sugar, and chocolate coins in a saucepan. Stir continuously over low heat until smooth and uniform, then remove from heat. Once the cake has cooled, remove it from the pan and peel off the parchment paper. Slice the cake and return it to the pan. Pour the lukewarm chocolate sauce over the cake and let it sit at room temperature for 1 hour. After an hour, invert the cake out of the pan. Mix breakfast cream, vegetable oil, and chocolate coins in a saucepan over heat until smooth. Pour the ganache over the cake and decorate with pistachio slivers, almond slivers, sesame seeds, walnut powder, sunflower seeds, coconut powder, and small chocolate pieces. Enjoy!